Welcome guys. The UPSC has released notification for 17 vacancies of ALC Assistant Labor Commissioner. 2 months back, UPSC released another notification of 29 vacancies and people filled up the form, they started preparing. Now we have got another notification for which last date is 13th of January 2022, through which 17 more guys are supposed to be hired. It is likely that exam is going to be same for both the notifications. So the big question is, should we apply once again? Should we be filling up the application form on the UPSC site once again? Let us discuss this. Before we come to the big question, if you have any queries on eligibility, and I'm sure many of you have questions on eligibility like which degree is eligible, which degree is not eligible, which degree makes you equivalent to a diploma, or you have query on exam pattern, how many questions, negative marking and all those things, or you want to discuss what is expected exam date, you want to understand what is weightage of various topics in ALC paper, or you want to understand how to build up your preparation plan for next 2-3 months, or if you have any doubts on whether there will be written exam before interview or there will be direct interview, what can be expected cutoff, what is syllabus of the exam. As you know that in the notification UPSC has not released the syllabus. So where is syllabus? What is the syllabus of the exam? Another big question is whether we should be studying older labor acts or 4 new labor codes. What we should do? What is part of syllabus? What is not part of syllabus? Finally, you also have a lot of doubts in form filling. So guys, if you have doubts on any of these areas, we have already put up a video on each of these areas on the YouTube. Please go and look at that. Finally, if you want to understand how you can prepare with Human Peritus for ALC exam, what you can do, go to website of Human Peritus. Once you are on the home page, go to UPSC ALC page. On the ALC page, first understand the entire structure of program, understand what we are offering you. There are various options given. What you should also do is look at some of the recorded classes which we have put up in the middle of this page. They will give you idea about style and quality of teaching. What you should also do is that you can also look at sample of some of the printed booklets which we send you via courier. So go through everything. If interested, you can enroll by clicking on these green buttons. If not interested, you can come back to us. You can discuss anything, any queries, you can always reach out to our team. We also have given a link in the description below. That link will connect you with our team directly via WhatsApp. Feel free to ask anything. Coming back to original question. So guys, in October 2021, UPSC released a notification with 29 vacancies. Then now in December 2021, UPSC released another notification with 17 vacancies. Okay. First thing, if there is anyone who missed out filling out the form last time, then you have got this opportunity. Good for you. Second thing, some of you have been coming back to us that I did some mistake in filling up the form. Again, you have got another chance and you guys should fill up the form. What about everyone else? So guys, two notification means that people have to apply 2 times. That means there will be 2 different admit cards. But as per our sense, the exam is likely to be same. There are very remote chances that there will be 2 different written exams for these 2 notifications. If exam will be same, but if there will be 2 admit cards, of course there will be confusion. So what we understand that UPSC has to come out with some clarification that what people should do. We are also planning to write to UPSC that they should clarify it. Finally, let's come to that what we should do. See guys, unless there is any clarification from UPSC on this point, what we should do based on current circumstances, all of us should fill up the form once again. Everyone please note it, for UPSC ALC, go to the website, please fill up the application form for the 17 vacancies once again. The last date is 30th of January. If there is any notification, if there is any clarification which comes from UPSC before that, accordingly we can act. But till that time, that there is no clarity, our stand is that let us fill up the form once again before 30th, before 13th of January 2022. If you have any doubts, anything which you want to say, we have given a link below in the description. That link will connect you with our team directly via WhatsApp, and all the best. Thank you so much.